The administrator works with visitor services, creates comfortable conditions for them, provides control over the preservation of wealth, advising visitors on that concerned services provided, take measures to eliminate conflicts. Professions clerk for centuries, basis of accounting invented Italian monk Fra Bartolomeo de Pacioli. In 1494 he published a book where he explained the sense of simple accounting transactions, debit, credit, and balance. A duty for every accountant's clerk is to carry out accounting, the balance sheet, maintaining a relation with the state tax inspectorate, and extra budgetary funds, pension, social, employment, insurance, reception and control of primary documents, reflected in the accounting records of the cash flow and inventory. Many graduates of the Lyceum continued their study in higher education institutions, serving many large companies and organizations.
My name is Mariana. I am 16. In the future I want to become an accountant. Since childhood I was attracting numbers, calculations, solving problems for specific algorithms. Will it probably sounds funny, but I always helped friends plan family budget, but they surprisingly least to my mind.
My name is Svetlana. I am 17. I think every profession has its own poetry. Personally, I love math and everything related to it. Sullivan assignments I rest. I believe to become a good accounting clerk, a person must be endowed with positive qualities.
Construction of one of the brains of material production, employing workers of many trades: bricklayers, plasterers, painters, tailors. History of the socio-economic structures show that without labor, without creating spiritual values, cannot generally exist and develop human society. Each student must master their profession and practice creative use and cutting-edge technique with work, continuously to improve them, to find new ways to further intend production work. As a high school education is in finishing studios equipped with modern didactic teaching aids, technological cards, display stands, layouts, multimedia products. Under the guidance of experienced masters, students learn the skills of their future profession. All students are provided with modern and hand tool, necessary building materials. Professionally made hands of students, masters of individual training benches, models, will aid contribute to a good mastering skills chosen profession. Lyceum grades find jobs easily because the construction business is well-paying and always necessary. A man is not enough beauty. Benefits of seamstresses and tailors is that they can create beauty and give it to people. Christian Lacroix. These words very clearly reflect the nature of this profession, seamstress. Job tailor is both one of the oldest and most advanced because the need for tailoring services there permanently. Job tailor is the embodiment of beauty, modern art style, which results in diverse clothing, without which it is impossible to do. Modern tailor should make clothing standards, choose styles on the specific figures, know the range of clothing, use all kinds of work to order. As the proverb says, the clothes are greeted and is carted to the mind. Clothes that make masters of their craft reflects not only external beauty man, he can talk about social status and about human preferences. Students and graduates of the Lyceum successfully working in the fields of government, district and region. In the third millennium, welding is one of the key processes. Weld almost all metals on Earth, in the deep sea, in space. Development of welding directly influences the technical level of the most important sectors of the economy. Therefore, the worker must be well-studied process gas welding and cutting. Welding properties and apply them in the performance of welding. The result of the creative and production activities of our students are women in various competitions of professional skills, such as our Welding International competition held in the Czech Republic, and our students got their prizes. This is confirmed by welding certificates issued after the contest. Manufacture and operation of automobiles increases the need for people able to maintain them in good condition and repair in case of breakage. To date, this profession is in demand, as the number of cars produced had steadily grown and evolved over the place. Our students learn to service the car, repair, replacement of the parts, carry out static and dynamic balancing of parts and components, perform operations on oil change and more. To machine earned, it's need to collect, develop, adjust during operation to maintain and repair. This case, repairman. Mechanic on car repairs conducted maintenance, disassembly, repair, replacement, welding, assembly, and regulation of nodes cars. Repair parts after disassembly and cleaning provides static and dynamic balancing of parts and components. Performs operations on lubrication and tension springs and radiators, drill holes and thread cutting, manufacture gaskets. Performs installation of electrical equipment and components under their term, their inclusion in the network setup for implementation in wells, check them on the stand, management and troubleshooting procedures. Performs processing, blending, isolation and soldering wires. Check for sparking, impregnation and drying installation winding devices and components of electrical equipment. Held run on and run stand trial after car repair. He designed the equipment documentation. Therefore, the need for specialists in repair of cars is constant, and mastering this profession, you can easily find a job by different transport companies, auto service companies, and others. You can create private motor car repair business and self-employment classes for servicing and repairing cars. For the leisure of students in vocational high schools, Yarmolyntsy created such sections and groups like brass band, vocal group, cycle Green Planet, regional cycle, cycle technical simulation, a literary cycle, drama club, internet club, section volleyball, section football, and basketball sections. Students attend different historical monuments and cities of Ukraine, take an active part in public life of lіцей.